How to save your project in Soundation. First of all, saving your project in Soundation is automatic, so you don't have to worry about losing your process. When you make any changes to your project, Soundation automatically saves them in real time. You can easily see if your project has been saved at the bottom after making edits. On the right side of your project tab, you'll notice an icon indicating the project status, where you can access the saved project. Additionally, you can access all your previous files and any that you have edited from this same area. This makes it easy to go back to earlier versions of your project if needed. If you want to find your saved project later, you can also head to the Soundation dashboard from the home page. Here, you will see a list of all your saved projects, including the latest edits and versions you have worked on. And that's it. Now you know how to save your project in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.